everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm going to be unboxing Ipsy for November. So, this month in Ipsy, we've got this animal print bag in faux leather with a little tassel. That's cute, and the zipper is like a rose gold. Feels like there's stuff in here. There's also something in here. Let's see. So in here is from It Cosmetics, Confidence in a Cream. It's a transforming moisturizing super cream. So that's cool. Let's actually open up and see how much is in here, because sometimes they're teeny weens. So, I mean, they are supposed to be sample sizes. So they did kind of hollow out the bottom here to make it a little bit smaller. So that's what's inside. And like I said, they hollowed out the bottom there to make it hold a little bit less product. But it still holds okay an amount of product. But it's a lot of packaging for a little product, I'm just gonna say. Okay, so let's get into the bag. Here's our, it said Wild Side is our theme for this month. And let's list the stuff in it. Let's see what's in here. So the first little thing inside the bag is this Verify Power Trip facial serum. So I use facial serums. So even though I'm using a couple right now, I can always use more. BB, so Lock Color Good Foundation, BB foundation. So that is cool because I love BB, CC creams and stuff like that. That kind of really light moisturizing foundation. And then this is Scone Cosmetics Insanely Intense Tattooed Waterproof Eyeliner in black. I could always use more eyeliner. I feel like I get a lot of eyeliner, but I do use it every time I do my face. So, and then Mary Dumanizer Liquid Highlighter and Illuminator. And this is a small size too. So, that's everything in my bag. It's the BB cream, which I really like. The eyeliner, which is cool, but I have lots of eyeliner. This is super tiny, this Illuminizer. Oh, it's from the Balm. So that's cool. I'd like to try that. This is my cats are knocking everything over. This is a good amount of serum because you only use like a couple drops. Max. And then this, I'm interested to try this moisturizer. My cat's driving me crazy. Max. I'm interested in trying the moisturizer. It is kind of a small amount. It might last me like a couple weeks, depending on how much I use it. Maybe a week and a half, something like that. It is $12 for Ipsy, and you get the bag, so you know I can't complain because it's very inexpensive, and I will get a lot of use out of a lot of the stuff. But to be honest, it's not my favorite bag. Just because I've gotten really amazing full-size things in some other bags. So yeah, it's an alright bag, and I'm not complaining for $12, but I've been a little bit more excited about other bags. Anyway, do you get Ipsy? Are you thinking about getting Ipsy? Did you get different stuff in your bag? I want to know the stuff, so leave a comment below. And I'll leave information below, and I think that's about it. So thanks for watching.